Hey, we got us an accident. Cops everywhere. Slayer. Slayer. Oh. Pardon me, I gotta put my glove on. It's cold. Alright. Oh, look who it is. Hard at work. Who's this? Man, is it cold out here. Man, is it cold. They towed the other car away. Man, I'm shaking. It's freezing. Was cruising around looking for some action, and this is what I find. Look at this lady recording. This is coming for the other one. Wow, is it cold? I'm bundled up too. I am freezing. Fuck, it's a cold. Who's this one? Yeah, he's looking at me. I cannot zoom in because I got gloves on and my doesn't register on the phone. Man, I am freezing. That's 04. It is cold. trying to hold the camera steady. Somebody driving by smoking weed. Holy crap. See you later. Don't forget to clean it up. Here's that jerk. Doesn't know how to park. Look at you recording. Said, look at you recording. You taking pictures or did you record?
I took pictures. My car was one she ran into.
Oh, no way.
Yeah, the lady making a left-hand turn and I was caught behind her.
I'm sorry.
This car ran into me.
Ride to the lobby to wait there?
You know what? I got somebody coming. I'll be okay.
Okay.
I'm the local cop watcher.
Oh, okay.
Now they're charging $75 for body cam. And if something goes wrong, you can have my footage for free.
Okay, well, give me your information in case I do need it.
Oh, I didn't. I just got here, so I didn't get anything.
Okay.
I just thought you were taking pictures. I'm sorry.
That's okay.
Ah.
I took pictures of everything.
Okay.
For my insurance company.
I just got here. If I would have saw anything, or if I would have seen the accident, I definitely would help you out.
Yeah, she literally just, I'm behind one car turned left, and I'm behind the car waiting for her. She plowed, the white car plowed right into me.
Man.
And I asked her, what were you thinking? She said, I wasn't paying attention.
You know, hey, things happen.
Yeah.
Well, they all know me, and they don't like me. This camera doesn't lie,
Right.
and it doesn't get redacted.
Sad
Or-
thing is, like, my mom, I just lost my date in December. My mom was depending on me to get rides to the doctor and all that. Now it's like, what am I going to do? I'm going to just go to get another car. That's going to take some time.
I'm sorry to hear that, man. It rains, it pours, right?
Huh?
When it rains, it pours.
And I just had everything paid for, you know? The car was paid for.
Yeah. Is this your ride?
Yeah. it
All
is.
right. Well, good luck to you, man.
All right. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Take care. You need help?
Yeah, I just want to clear this in. Just to the car.
I gotcha. Oh, we're stuck. We're stuck.
We're stuck. Oh, you stuck up there.
Here you go.
Thank you so much.
All right. Take care of yourself. Gotta try to help, you know? Poor lady. Oh, I'm gonna stand in front of her. I thought she was just waiting for the bus or something.
I'm okay to go?
Yeah, you're good.
Okay.
Take care of yourself, man. Off they go. Wow. It is getting cold. Talking about ice coming tonight. I had to break out the old Slayer hat. I'm out of here, man. I'm gonna go get some heat. Peace and love. Thank you, everybody. I'll see you.